Hello, everyone, and welcome to the podcast. My name is Laiba, and I am your host. I hope you are doing well today and ready to learn something new. In today's episode, we are going to talk about a very simple and useful topic. What do you like to do? This is a question that we use almost every day. We use it when we meet new people, we use it when we talk to friends, and we use it to learn more about someone's life. In this podcast, I will speak slowly and clearly. I will use simple words and easy sentences. So if you are learning English, don't worry. You can understand everything step by step. We will learn how to talk about the things we like. We will also learn how to ask others about their likes. And we will practice together. So get comfortable, relax, and listen carefully. Let's begin our topic. Now let's understand the question. What do you like to do? This question is very common in English. People ask it in daily conversation. When someone asks you this question, they want to know, what activities make you happy? What do you enjoy doing in your free time? The word like means something you enjoy or something that makes you feel good. For example, I like reading books. I like watching movies. I like playing games. These are all things that people enjoy. This question is not about work or study only. It is mostly about your free time and your interests. It helps people understand your personality. It also helps you connect with others. For example, if you like football and another person also likes football, you can talk more and become friends. So when you hear the question, what do you like to do? Just think about the things that make you happy and relaxed, and then answer in a simple way. We will learn how to answer this question in the next section. Now let's talk about why it is important to speak about what you like. Talking about your likes is very useful in daily life. First, it helps you connect with other people. When you tell someone what you like, they can understand you better. If they like the same things, you can have a good conversation. Second, it helps you practice English. This topic is easy and common. You can talk about it with friends, classmates, or even by yourself. Third, it builds your confidence. When you talk about things you enjoy, it is easier to speak. You feel more relaxed and comfortable. Fourth, it makes conversations more interesting. Instead of short answers, you can share more ideas and feelings. For example, instead of saying, I like music, you can say, I like music because it makes me feel happy. This sounds better and clearer. So talking about your likes is not only simple, it is also very powerful for learning English and making connections. In the next section, we will look at common things people like to do. Now let's talk about common things people like to do. This will help you learn new words and ideas. People like different activities. Some people like quiet activities. Some people like active and social activities. Let's look at a few main groups. A. Hobbies. Hobbies are things you do in your free time for fun. They help you relax and enjoy your day. Some common hobbies are reading books, drawing or painting, writing stories, cooking food, gardening, example sentences. I like reading books in my free time. I like cooking because it is fun. Hobbies are usually calm and creative. B. Free time activities. These are simple activities that people do every day. Examples: watching TV, listening to music, using a mobile phone, playing video games. Example sentences: I like watching TV in the evening. I like listening to music before I sleep. These activities are easy and do not need much effort. C. Social activities. Social activities are things you do with other people. Examples: talking with friends, going out, visiting family, playing sports. Example sentences: I like spending time with my friends. I like visiting my family on weekends. These activities help you build relationships. D. Outdoor activities. Some people like to go outside and be active. Examples: walking, running, playing football or cricket, traveling. Example sentences: I like walking in the park. I like playing cricket with my friends. Outdoor activities are good for your health, so as you can see, there are many things people like to do. Everyone is different, and that is okay. Think about your own life. What do you like to do? In the next section, we will learn how to talk about your likes in English. Now, let's learn how to talk about your likes in English. There's a very simple and useful structure. I like plus verb plus ings. This means you take a verb and add ing. For example, I like reading, I like cooking, I like playing football, I like watching movies. This is the easiest way to talk about your likes. You can also make your sentence a little stronger. You can say, I really like reading, I love cooking. The word love shows a stronger feeling than like. You can also add more information. For example, I like reading books in the evening. I like playing football with my friends. This makes your sentence more clear and more interesting. Try to speak in full sentences. Do not just say one word. Instead of saying reading, say, I like reading books. This will help you improve your English faster. In the next section, we will learn how to ask other people about their likes. Now let's learn how to ask other people about their likes. Asking questions is very important in conversation. It helps you start talking and keeps the conversation going. The most common question is, what do you like to do? You can also ask, what do you like to do in your free time? What are your hobbies? These questions are simple and easy to use. You can also ask yes/no questions. For example, do you like reading? Do you like music? Do you like sports? These questions are good for short conversations. When someone answers, listen carefully. You can ask more questions. For example, what do you like to do? I like playing football. Oh, that's nice. When do you play? This makes the conversation longer and more interesting. Remember, good communication is not only speaking, it is also asking and listening. In the next section, we will learn how to give reasons for our likes. Now let's learn how to give reasons. When you say what you like, it is even better to explain why you like it. This makes your sentence more clear and more interesting. We can use the word because. Structure. I like plus activity plus because plus reason examples. I like reading because it is relaxing. I like music because it makes me happy. I like playing football because it is fun. You can also give longer reasons. For example, I like watching movies because I can learn new things and relax. Or, I like spending time with my family because it makes me feel good. Try to use simple words for your reason. You do not need difficult vocabulary. Here are some easy reasons you can use. Because it is fun, because it is interesting, because it is relaxing, because it makes me happy, because it is good for my health. Adding a reason helps you speak more naturally. It also shows your feelings and ideas. In the next section, we will learn about likes and dislikes. Now let's talk about likes and dislikes. So far, we talked about things you like. Now we will also learn how to talk about things you do not like. The word like means you enjoy something. The phrase don't like means you do not enjoy something. Structure. I like plus activity. I don't like plus activity. Examples. I like reading books. I don't like loud music. I like tea. I don't like coffee. You can also use stronger words. For example, I really like music. I love sports. For dislikes, I really don't like noise. I hate waking up early. The word hate shows a very strong feeling, so use it carefully. You can also explain your dislikes using because. Examples. I don't like spicy food because it is too hot. I don't like waking up early because I feel tired. Talking about both likes and dislikes helps you express yourself better. It also makes your conversation more natural and complete. In the next section, we will look at some daily life examples. Now let's look at some daily life examples. These examples will help you understand how to use these sentences in real situations. Listen carefully and try to repeat after me. Example 1. I like watching movies in my free time because it helps me relax. This sentence is simple and clear. It tells us what the person likes and why. Example 2. I like playing football with my friends because it is fun and healthy. Here the person talks about an activity and also gives 2 reasons. Example 3. I like reading books at night because it is quiet and peaceful. This example shows time and feeling. Example 4. I don't like waking up early because I feel very tired. This is a dislike with a reason. Example 5. I like listening to music while studying because it helps me focus. This example shows 2 activities together. Now think about your daily life. What do you do every day? What do you like? What do you not like? Try to make your own sentences like these. Practice speaking them out loud. This will help you improve your English faster. In the next section, we will practice together. Now it is time to practice together. Please try to speak or repeat after me. This will help you improve your English. Let's start with simple sentences. Repeat after me. I like reading books. I like listening to music. I like playing games. I like spending time with my family. Good job. Now let's try longer sentences. I like watching movies because they are interesting. I like playing football because it is fun and healthy. I like cooking food because it makes me happy. Very good. Now let's answer some questions. Try to think and speak. What do you like to do in your free time? Why do you like it? Do you like sports or not? Why? Take your time. There is no hurry. Even if you make mistakes, it is okay. The most important thing is practice. You can repeat this practice every day. Slowly, your English will become better and more natural. In the next and final section, we will finish our podcast. Now we have reached the end of our podcast. Today we learned about the topic, what do you like to do? We talked about many important things. We learned what the question means. We learned how to talk about our likes and dislikes. We also learned how to ask other people questions. And we practiced making simple sentences in English. Remember, this topic is very useful in daily life. You can use it when you meet new people. You can use it when you talk to friends. And you can use it to improve your English speaking skills. The most important thing is practice. Try to speak English every day, even for a few minutes. Do not worry about mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Keep learning, keep practicing, and stay confident. Thank you so much for listening to this podcast. This is your host, Laiba, saying thank you for watching Talk Smart English 3. Take care and goodbye. Don't forget, like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next episode.